Hello, good morning to everybody. First of all, very thanks to all of you to watching this video. I am Ajay Kumar and I am a teacher of physics. Here we are going to study simple harmonic motion in one dimension. We know that mostly there are three types of motions. First, translation motion, second, rotational motion, and third, vibrational motion. These three types of motions cover every types of motions. First, translation motions are those motions in which the position of body vary linearly with time. Example, a car, a train moving on a straight line, a ball moving on the ground, or an apple falling from the trees are example of translation motion. Second, rotational motion. If the position of a body as a whole, the position of a body as a whole does not change linearly. Body as a whole does not change linearly with time, but only rotates at the same position about an axis is called rotational motion. Example, rotation of Earth on its axis. Next, vibrational motion. The motion in a straight line that moves back and forth. The motion in a straight line that move back and forth and repeats itself in equal interval of time is called vibrational motion or oscillatory motion. Example, pendulum of Pavlov clocks, etc. Next, we have to study the definition of simple harmonic motion. Then, if the periodic motion is such that if the periodic motion is such that the acceleration of a particle is always directly proportional to its displacement from its equilibrium position and is always directed towards equilibrium position. Is said to be SHM, simple harmonic motion. As we see that if the periodic motion is such that the acceleration of particle is always directly proportional to its displacement. Here, the acceleration of particle is always directly proportional to its displacement from equilibrium position and is always directed towards the equilibrium position is called SHM. Example, suppose these are the particles. This particle accelerated from its direction from equilibrium position towards displacement directions, and also it returned to equilibrium position. This is back and this is forth. This is back and this is forth. Back, forth, here energy loss. These are the vibrational motion. If a particle gain energy, it's get accelerated in the direction where it has to be displaced. Suppose that this particle has to displace in these directions. Again, it has lots of energy. It's retain to its equilibrium position and then goes back and again retain by equilibrium position, and the energy is transferred to next particle. This also goes forward, backward, and then come to equilibrium position. Again energy transfer to next particle. These also vibrate, and here energy goes vanished. These are called the vibrational motion. Come to the next. Simple harmonic motion. There are two types of simple harmonic motion. Two types. Sorry. Two types of SHM. Linear SHM and angular SHM. First linear, second angular SHM. Linear SHM. If the displacement of particle is linear, or the motion is said to be linear SHM. If the displacement of particle is linear from this point to this point, otherwise this point to this point, back and forth, this is the linear displacement from this point to this, and again this point to here and here to here. These are called linear position. Then it is called linear SHM. And second angular SHM. If the displacement of particle execute SHM is angular, the motion is said to be angular motion. Suppose that this particle execute this type of motion, then it is called angular